Our solar system is formed by 8 planets, among them the Earth, of course, and the one that is the biggest of all, Jupiter. The giant gaseous star is undoubtedly one of the most exciting planets and, of course, it has many peculiarities that deserve to be known by astronomy lovers on duty. Interested? Come with me. Hello guys, we are from the channel Another Curiosity. And here are the top 10 curiosities about Jupiter. 10. Gods of gods in mythology and his greatness. Due to its enormous size, Jupiter, in certain mythologies, had a prominent place. For example, in Roman legends, his name was associated with the king of the gods, in the same way that Zeus was the great god in Greek mythology. In real life, the planet lives up to its fame, as it's so large that about 1,300 Earths could fit inside it, also having twice the mass of all the other planets in the solar system combined. 9. Very fickle atmosphere. One thing's for sure, Jupiter's atmosphere is pretty acidic, much like the Sun. This part of the giant planet is made of helium and hydrogen, but in addition, there are several parts of it with different colors. These parts are actually clouds, and its coloration is due to the speed of the winds there, which are quite strong, about 640 kilometers per hour. There are changes in the movement of these clouds all the time, but one aspect that is always present in Jupiter's atmosphere is a red spot. 8. Of all the planets, Jupiter rotates the most. Even though it is such a huge and massive planet, Jupiter moves very quickly, very much. To give you an idea, its rotation speed is something around 12 kilometers per second, or around 45,300 kilometers per hour. It's so fast that it takes just 10 hours to complete a complete rotation on its axis. It is because of all this speed and its movements that the poles of the planet are very flattened, and its equatorial part is very swollen. 7. Jupiter's rings. When talking about a planet in solar system with rings, Saturn certainly comes to mind. However, Jupiter also has this type of formation. However, they are much weaker than those of Saturn, and for this very reason, they are more difficult to perceive. It's estimated that these rings of Jupiter were made with materials ejected from its moons, from the moment they are hit by meteorites. 6. Galileo's valuable discovery. In the year of 1610, Galileo Galilei discovered the four moons of Jupiter: Europa, Ganymede, Io, and Callisto. This was very important finding for science, as it was the first time that celestial bodies were discovered orbiting around something other than the Earth. But that was not all. From this discovery, new and fundamental evidence emerged of what would become the model of the solar system, proposed by Nicolaus Copernicus, who cited a large sun at the center of a given space. 5. Visits to Jupiter to date. In addition to the Moon, we have already visited some of other stars belonging to the solar system. One of them was Mars, and the other Jupiter. In fact, no less than 8 spacecraft have visited this giant so far. Pioneer 10 and 11, Voyager 1 and 2, Galileo, Cassini, Ulysses, the New Horizons mission, and the Juno mission. According to NASA, these extended until the year 2021. 4. Largest moon in the solar system. Fun facts about Jupiter usually involve size records, with this or that planet being the biggest of something. In the case of its moon, Ganymede is the largest found in our entire solar system. Just to make a comparison, only this moon is bigger than the planet Mercury, having an incredible diameter of 5,268 kilometers, more or less. 3. Very strong magnetic field. If you think Earth's gravity is great, then you need to know that Jupiter's is at least 14 times greater. That is, compasses would work smoothly on the planet, in case we manage to stay on the surface, of course. According to some astronomers, this very powerful field is formed by the so-called Foucault currents, the name given to the swirling movements of conductive materials. 2. You can see Jupiter from Earth. Of all the objects present in our solar system, Jupiter is the fourth most luminous after all, after the Sun, Venus, and our Moon, making it possible for us to see it, but usually only with the help of some device, either a binocular or telescope. But there are times when it's possible to see with the naked eye. 1. A truly hot core. For those who have the slightly knowledge of geology, they should know that the Earth's core is extremely hot, isn't it true? Well, with regard to curiosity about Jupiter, we can say that its core temperature is even higher. Being the size of Earth, the central core of this planet is almost 50,000 degrees Celsius, hotter than the surface of the Sun, to give you an idea. We are producing videos on Wednesday and Fridays here on the channel. If you like it, don't forget to leave your like and activate the notification bell to stay on top of all the news. Subscribe. I'm waiting for you on the next video. Thank you.